Okay, students, welcome back to our first class. In this class, we start our English work. First, all the students in our previous lecture, we have done the readings of this lesson and learn to read one. We have done 3 questions of learn to read one. Now we start doing our question number 4, which is on book. All the students first open your book, page number 27. In learn to read one, we have question number 1, 2, and 3 on our copies, C-work copies that we have done in our previous work. Now we start doing question number 4, which is on book. Question number 4 is recross true false. The first one is true false. The first one is the sales assistant did not seem to be familiar with his customers. When the 3 people went to the shop, the owner of the shop, the sales assistant, did not know the 3 people that went to the shop. Is this statement true or false? This statement is true because the sales assistant did not know the 3 people that went to the shop. Is it right? When we read this lesson, we know that the 3 people, Ayan's father, mother, and his sister, went to the same shop to buy a bell for Ayan's, but the sales assistant did not know the 3 people that went to the shop. So the first statement is true. The second one is the whole mix-up was mainly due to the fact that each of them wanted their gift to be a secret. The 3 people went to a same shop, but they did not tell anyone that they buy a gift. They wanted to buy a gift for Ryan and make a gift a secret. So all the people went to the same shop and buy the same gift, but all the people keep their gift as a secret and did not share it with anyone. The second statement is also true because the gift, the presence of the 3 people is a secret. They did not share there with anyone. Now come to the next statement. Ryan noticed that everyone at home was calm and quiet. Then at the end of the day, Ryan came back at home. He noticed that everyone at the home and stay at home and very peaceful place. But it's not true. When we reading this lesson, we know that when Ryan come at home, he noticed that his house is like a bus station. Everyone is coming and went out and come into the house. So this statement is wrong. This statement is false because everyone in the house is not living in peaceful and calm environment. He noticed that everyone was running in and out in the mornings. The next statement is at the end of the day, it was the store owner who profited the most. When the day ends, the only person that get more profit is the owner of the store, because at a same home, the 3 people from a family went to the store and buy 3 bells, and then Ryan also went to the store and buy 4 bells. The store owner get more profit of the day due to the one family. The last statement is also true. Is it clear? I hope all the students do this book work. The first statement is true because the store owner did not know the people of this family. The second statement is true because the whole family members make a secret of their gifts. The fourth statement is cross because nobody at home stay. Everyone is running in and out from the morning. The last statement is true because at the end of the day, the store owner get more profit due to Ryan's family. Is it clear? I hope all the students note down these true false statements on your books. Now students, I raise the board. All the students open your copies. Open your English CEVA copies. Ready your copies, write date, day, period number 2, topic 5 else. In our previous lecture, we have done learn to read 1, question number 1, 2, 3. Now we start learn to read 1, question number 5. Question number 4 is on your book, which is statement of true and false. And question number 5, all the students ready your copies and write question number 5. Question number 5 is, what does the story tell you about David family? What does the story tell you about the David family? David is the father of Ryan. What this story tell us about Ryan's father? This question has two parts. First part is and second part is, what words would you use to describe them? What words would you use to describe them? Again, I revise the question. What does the story tell you about the David family? When we read out this lesson, we learn that Ryan's family is very loving and caring and helpful for each other. What words would we use to describe them? What words would we use to describe David's family? How we can explain David's family? Now I write the answer of this question. In this question, we tell about Ryan's family. David is Ryan's father. They were united, kind, attentive. United, kind, attentive, to the needs, attentive to the needs of others, and thoughtful. Students, in this question, we tell about the David's family. how Ryan's family is helpful for him. The answer of this question, they were united. वो मुत्तहिद थे या इकट्ठे रहते थे. Kind, मेहरबान थे या रहम दिल थे एक दूसरे के लिए. Attentive, बहुत ज्यादा तवज्जो देते थे to the needs of other, दूसरों की जरूरियात पर. All the family members live together. They were very kind for each other, and their parents and the parents of Ryan give many attention to the needs of others, to the needs of their child, and to the needs of their family members. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. And also note down the answer of this question. It's very easy answer. Now student, question number 5 is from Learn to Read 1. Under the answer of this question, make a heading of Learn to Read 2. Make a heading with pointers of Learn to Read 2. Now we start doing our Learn to Read 2. The first question of Learn to Read 2 is, do you think Ryan will ever find out the truth about the bells? About the bells. In this question, do you think Ryan will ever find out the truth about the bells? As Ryan tell her family that his bicycle bell is not working. The question number 1 from Learn to Read 2. The question is, do you think Ryan will ever find out the truth about the bells? When we read the story, we know that Ryan will never know about the truth about the bells because he did not know how his father, his mother, and his sister bring a new bell for him. He thinks that no one is care of him. The answer of this question is no. No, Ryan will not. Ryan will not find out the truth about the bells. The truth about the bells. Ryan will never find out the truth about the bells. He did not know that his family buy a new bell for him because all his families make a secret of his gift. So he did not know that his family buy a present for him. Because nobody told him about the present. Ryan will never find out the truth about the bells because nobody at home tell him about the bells that they bought a bells for him. Now I write the question number 2. I hope all the students understand and also note down this with me. Student, do your work neatly. Now I raise the board, raise the first question. I hope all the students note down the first question. The second question of Learn to Read 2 is, what do you think he will do when he does? What do you think he will do when he does find out? Find out. In this question, we tell that what Ryan did when he know that his family is very loving and caring, and they help him, they buy a new bell for him. What is his feelings about his family? The answer of this question is, he will, when Ryan now that his family is very loving and caring and they bought him a new bell for his cycles, then what is his feelings about his family? He will become very happy. He will become very happy. वो बहुत खुश हुआ and thinks, और उसने सोचा that his family and think that his family is very loving and caring. When Ryan find out the truth about the bells, when he knows that his family members help him and try to solve his problem, then he feels very happy and he thinks that his family is very loving and caring, that all the family members try to solve the problems of Ryan. I hope all the students understand. It's very easy answer. Now come to the next question. The third question of Learn to Read 2 is, question number 3. What kind of story? What kind of story? What kind of story is this? Is this? What are your feelings? What are your feelings after reading it? When we read out this story, what we find, what kind of story is this? Is it a sad story or is it a happy story? And what is our feeling after reading this story? Now I write the answer of this question. In this question, we tell that what kind of this story, is it a sad story or happy story? What is our feelings after reading this story? It is a funny. It is a funny and humorous story. Story having the feelings of happiness and joy. When we read out this story, we know that it's a very funny and humorous story. Why this story is like funny? When all the three people make their gift secrets, when all the three people went to the home, to the shop, all the three people went to the same shop, but they did not see. And all the three people put their bells on Ryan's bicycle, but they make their present a secret. So it's a funny and humorous story having the feelings of happiness and joy. As all the people make the secrets of their present, but their presents give happiness of Ryan. Now I write the diary. Learn to read one, question number 4 plus 5. And learn to read 2, question number 1, 2, 3. Question number, learn to read 1, question number 4 and 5 is also your H work. I hope all the students note down these question answer and also note down the diary. Students, the answer of these questions are very easy and interesting. I hope all of you understand.